soon hear. Look at all the plants and animals, learn everything. Go back to the village, tell them what you saw. Smile at this lovely world, and live by nature's law. Indians made flour by grinding every seed. Mud stones would crush the corn to make the meal they'd need. When they added water, the cornmeal became dough. They'd shape it and cook it. They all would dance and sing. They'd decorate their costumes and clean most everything.